How to change course on the Encode app. If you have been using the Encode app and wondering on how to change course on it, don't worry. In today's video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Encode app, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to change the course, tap onto Settings at the top right here. Select it. Then here you can find Change Course right here. Now select it. Now to change course, simply choose one of these code that you want to learn. Now simply tap on it. And now you can see the course has been changed. Now do the same process to change into another course. And that's it. This is how you can change course in the Encode app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.